Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili oil for pho. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, I'll guide you through preparing the aromatics, which are key to a flavorful oil. Then, we'll move on to the infusion step, where the magic truly happens. Finally, I'll show you how to properly store your delicious creation. For a truly authentic chili oil, selecting the right ingredients is crucial. You'll want dried red chilies for that signature heat and color. A neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, works best as it won't overpower the chili flavor. Don't forget fresh aromatics such as finely chopped garlic and shallots. Also, consider adding whole spices like star anise or cinnamon sticks for an extra layer of aroma. Now for the exciting part, infusing the oil. Begin by gently heating your neutral oil in a saucepan. Once warm, add your prepared aromatics and whole spices, letting them simmer to release their flavors. After a few minutes, remove the pan from the heat. Carefully pour this hot, infused oil over your dried chili flakes in a heat-proof bowl. The sizzle means it's working. Let the mixture cool completely. Once your chili oil has cooled, you can strain it to remove the solids for a smoother texture, or leave them in for extra flavor and texture. Transfer your beautiful chili oil into a clean, airtight glass jar. For optimal freshness, store it in a cool, dark place or refrigerate it to extend its shelf life up to 3 months. Now, your homemade chili oil is ready to elevate your next bowl of pho.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.